film, television, and in fact, all of our creative industries are experiencing a wave of innovation and disruption. And while this might cause some uncertainty, I believe this disruption is leveling the playing field for young creatives and generating hosts of new opportunities, especially for those driven to make their mark and are malleable enough to adapt. Technology, specifically AI, is opening new doors, challenging tradition, and lowering barriers of entry.
There's like different specialties that anyone can decide to go for. I came here thinking that I wanted to do only production, and then I fell in love with like screenwriting, so I think it's super cool.
The moment I walked in today, I was literally blown away. Everyone was so friendly and professional, and just so many different cool opportunities that I wish I knew about when I was younger.
It's like an adventure. It's like a playground, actually. Probably one of the coolest events I've been to this year.